Standard 5th Subject Drawing. Topic Nature. Hello students. Today we will draw a flower marigold on page number 18 of your drawing book. First, take a scale and mark points. Now draw a semicircular shape by using points. Hold the pencil lightly while drawing. Don't put pressure on the pencil. This shape for outline of flower marigold. Now we will follow the steps to draw flower. For base of flower, draw a small semicircle. Use eraser as less as possible. Draw two lines like this for stem of flower. Now draw petals of flower like this. This is the topmost part of the flower. For other petals of flowers, make curves around this. Make more curve shapes for completing the flower. While drawing, don't put pressure on the pencil. First, observe the steps properly, then start the drawing. Use eraser as less as possible. Make proper shape for flower. Do your work neatly. First, observe the steps properly, then start the drawing. While drawing, don't put pressure on the pencil. Use black sketch pen for outline the flower. Now color the flower according to given picture of your textbook. First use light orange or yellow color for topmost part of the flower. You can use crayons, pencil colors or oil pastels. Don't use sketch pen for coloring. Use orange color for coloring the other petals of flower. Never put pressure on color. Color properly and smoothly. Do work neatly. Never put pressure on color. Always color in one direction. Never put pressure on color. Color properly and smoothly. Do work neatly. Now use dark green color for base of flower. Use light green color for stem of marigold. All of you make this drawing in your drawing book. Students, I hope all of you enjoyed today's drawing topic. Thank you.